Hello dear student, in Unit 6, Lesson 3, I'm going to talk about report statement. Let's see what is the use of report statement and what is the rule of reporting somebody's speech. Let's see. First of all, we have the use. We use reported speech when we want to repeat what someone had previously said, okay? We use reported speech when we want to repeat what someone had previously said. It means that if somebody said something, after that, we can repeat this speech, okay? But we have some rules in order to repeat someone's speech, okay? So let's see. First of all, we have a simple example without any rules. I will just show you now. For example, this one is a direct speech, or we can say a direct statement. For example, Jack said, "I am tired." Somebody, name is Jack, said, "I am tired." Okay, now we will report this speech or this statement, also called indirect statement. Reported speech, it became like that. Jack said that he was tired. Jack said that, or also we can use that, or also we can't, don't use that. Jack said he was tired, okay? Now I am going to show you how are you, I became he, and I am became was, okay? So we have some rules. Let's see. Be careful. In order to change a direct statement into a report statement or indirect statement, we have to make some changes, okay? In order to change a direct statement into a report statement or indirect statement, we have to make some changes. Let's see what are the changes. We have a chart, or we can say a table, direct statement to report statement. If our sentence is present continuous, we have to change to past continuous. If it is present simple, we will change to past simple. If we have or is, we will change to was. Okay, whenever we have and is, we will change to was. If we have are, it became were. If we have must in the sentence, it became had to. If we have I, we will change to he and she according to the speaker. Okay, according to the speaker, we will change to he or she. If we have we will change to they. If we have my, we will change to his or her, again according to the speaker. If we have our, we will change to their. Okay, so don't forget these changes. You have to memorize, or you have to know what are the changes in order to change a direct statement into a report statement. Let's see in examples. We have the phrases. Okay, first of all, we have a rule. He said that, or she said that. This chart, this box in the green one, we have to write at the beginning of every sentence, okay? We have to write at the beginning of every sentence. He said that, or she said that, okay? According to the speaker, okay? And sometimes we are free to use he said that or she said that, okay? Let's see. So don't forget to write he said that or she said that. For example, I am living in Paris. This is a sentence. Someone said, I am living in Paris. And this sentence is called direct statement. Now we have to change to indirect statement or indirect report. Okay? Or you can say report statement. As you see, we have I and am. Okay? That I colored in blue and red. So we have to know that. I am and am, it changes. So it became like that. He said that. He said that. As you see in the chart previously, I said I became he. Why? According here. Because I write he said that, I have to change I to he. If I write she said that, I have to change he to she. Okay? So we can't say he said that and she here. Okay? So we have to be careful about that. This rule. I said I changed to he and she. So you have to know, according to this rule, he said that or she said that, you have to write this one. Because I write he said that, so I have to change I to he, okay? He said that, I became he. And also I said, became was. So it became like that. He said that he was living in Paris. This is called reported statement, because we are reporting somebody's speech, okay? He said that he was living in Paris. Another example, it is called. Somebody said it's called, and this is a direct statement. It became like what? You feel free in order to write he said that or she said that. I will say she said that. She said that it was cold. I said it became it. So we can't change it to another things, okay? So it remained it. And also I said is became what? Was. I said and is became was. So the sentence will be like that. She said that it was cold, and this is called report statement. Another example, my parents are very well. My parents are very well. This is a direct statement. I said my became his and her according to the he said that or she said that. Okay, according here. So it became like that. He said that his parents were very well. This is a report statement. As you see, I write he said that. Because I write he said that, I said my changed to his and her. His and her. And because I wrote he here, so I have to write his. I cannot say he said that her parents. If you want to change to her, you have to change this one also. So you have to say she said that her parents were very well. Okay? So we have two options. He said that or she said that. If you want to say he said that, so you have to change my to his. If you wanted to say she said that, you have to change my to her. Okay? And also are, there is only one option. Are became what? Were. So he said that his parents were very well. This is a reported statement. We have more examples about to get very well. I want to buy a car. I want to buy a car. This is a direct statement. So it became like that. She said that she wanted to buy a car. She said that she wanted to buy a car. Why I add ed here? Because want is a present simple. As I said, present simple changed to what? To past simple. So you have to know. You have to be careful about something like that. If it is present simple, it became past simple. If it is present continuous, it became past continuous. Another one, we must speak English. We must speak English. This is a direct statement. So it became like what? She said that they had to speak English. Okay? We changed to they and must to change what? To had to. She said that they had to speak English. Our houses is in London. Our houses is in London. So it became what? He said that their house was in London. Their house was in London. So you have to know that our, it became what? Their. Our, it became what? Their. As according to the table. And is became what? Was. So our house is in London became what? He said that their house was in London. So this one is called reported statement. Now we have summary. Let us summary the whole subject that we studied. When do we use reported speech? Sometimes someone says a sentence. Later, maybe we want to tell someone else what the first person said. This is a very simple definition of report statement. Sometimes someone says a sentence and later maybe we want to tell someone else what the first person said. For example, this is a direct speech. I like ice cream. I like ice cream. Okay, became what? She said that she likes ice cream. Okay, she said that she likes ice cream.